Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to add a Notion calendar in your Notion dashboard, then this video is for you. So first, you can see this is actually my demo account here. So first, when you have logged into Notion with your account, then you can find this type of interface. This is actually your default interface where you are beginning. So from here at the left side, you can find a navigation section where you can find different types of options from here. Among those, you can find the private tab from here with the added new option, or you can find the plus icon here. Simply click on plus and it will add a new page from here. Now for example, we are going to name this page like calendar. So then after rename this here as title, now you have to do is you have to add a comment. So for comment you can use the slash. So here you can see some comment will appear here. So you have to simply search for calendar, and here you can find the calendar view already suggesting here. So simply click on calendar view and here it is. You can find the Notion calendar that is now integrated with this Notion page here. Now if you want to edit this or manage this according to yourself, according to your time, or according to the task here, so you can choose you can find the date block here, different types of date block. So you have to do is simply, for example, we are going to add like here, add an item you can find here. So you can add a task from here. You can add new page, for example, anything. Subscribe, yes, subscribe to your channel for more tech tips. Now you can add a date here. You can add a date, or you can make it you can arrange it by simply hover over that. When you find the 6 dot, it will allow you to hover arrange this text from here. Also you can add tags here. You can add any tags like task, anything like this, and it is your tag here. You can add a property from here like a summary, a custom autofill, and more than the select number, multi-select, status. You can do anything from here. The checkbox also, you can add checkboxes just like this, and yeah. So for that you have to add checkbox, and checkbox 1, and type here like yes, just like this. So you can add any icon you want here. So for example, we want this icon here, this icon here. Now here you can see we have added the checkbox here, or we can delete it by simply click on delete properties and simply click on it. Now you can just adjust it right now, and you can add some comments here like anything you want, just like this, and simply click on this, and here you can see. Now if I just go back here, if I just like this here, and you can find it is here. So we can go to the calendar, and you can find the task has just added here with the comments. So that's how you can just do it. And also you can find some settings where you can make some settings like sort option, properties, filter, automation. You can add some automation if you want. So for that you have to purchase the upgraded version of Notion. So that's pretty much all. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.